Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, I said I was going to be doing the Colourpop palettes that I did a video on not long ago with doing a look with them. Today I'm going to be doing the It's My Pleasure palette. This is the purple monochromatic palette from Colourpop. I'm sure everybody has seen it. That is what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and do a look with it today. I will take a picture of the palette and put it in the corner and star the colors that I'm using. I will give you the names just so that when I edit I can remember what I used. So I'm going to start into Kitten Fish, which is the lightest color in here. And we're just going to put that all over the lid. I have been liking these palettes. I do think that Colourpop has quality eyeshadow for the price that you pay for it. I know it took me a while to get on the bandwagon of purchasing Colourpop, but now that I am there, I will be a customer for life. And the eyeshadows are the only thing that I have tried, so there are still tons more things to try. I am wearing the same outfit in another video that I have put up because I do have so many videos just with Colourpop that I need to get out, and the house is quiet and I am up, so this is the best time to film. So I'm going to definitely take advantage of it. So there is Kitten Fish. It is a light purple color. I hope that it is seen. Then I'm going to go into Fan Fiction, which is a darker pink mauve color. Ooh. I did tap off, but was not expecting that. So there's that color. Just gonna wipe my brush off and go back and blend that out some. And I hear my husband headed to the coffee pot. Okay, so there are those two colors. Now I'm going to take that color Sleeper in the inner corner, or the outer V. Try not to tap, and move the desk. again, I do like to map out where I'm going to go before I blend that in. Okay, so there's the color. I'm going to go back with that first fluffy brush and just blend that out some. Alright. Then I'm going to take just a flat brush and we're going to go into let's go into do or dough. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eyelid. Okay, that's lighter than I thought it would be. So let's do the bare minimal in place of that color. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, then I'm going to take Inner Sandman, basically right in the middle, if you will. I'm going to do that with my finger. Okay, and then I'm going to take Earth Shine right at the front of my lid. This palette does have fallout. I think I've said that. If not, now I have. Alright. Then I'm going to use the Pretty Cruel color as my brow highlight. And I do know that it's a darker color, but I do like it up there. It's different. Most people want a shiny color up there. I don't think it really matters. I'm going to take the Earth Shine right down here on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the Fan Fiction right next to that. And then, of course, Sleeper on the very end to connect the top and the bottom. I'll also sharpen up my eyeshadow line and then blend it out just slightly. Okay. I'm going to throw on a little bit of mascara, some eyeliner, and then I will show y'all the finished look. I do apologize for my mascara in advance. I had already had some on. Completely blocking the view. That is a lip liner. We will not be putting that in our eyes. And there is my look with the Colourpop It's My Pleasure. So let's go ahead and move y'all in. And there is that look. So very simple, very pretty. You can see all the colors. I do not have an inner corner color, but you can see the shine from all of the shimmers that we used. We did use 3 different shimmers. So that is that eye look. And I think it's very pretty. I do like the purple palette. I do like all of the palettes. I think the monochromatic palettes are great. If you're just looking for that one certain color, bam, you have a whole palette to choose from. So Colourpop It's My Pleasure is a win for me. If you do not have this palette, it is $12. It is 9 pans. And all of the colors in this palette are eye safe. So we will get to some that are not. But for now, that one is. So, as always, you do know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Do come back and see the reviews of the other palettes. There are 6 more, I think. 7 more. There's a few more. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did enjoy making it for you. And I hope you're having a great day. Till next time, you stay beautiful.